Tubers Mescal here. The first time I heard this noise I thought it was a frog. Turns out it's these leaf green cicadas. And we've actually got a boy and a girl having a chat to each other here. And hopefully I can find it again. There was a girl just over here, well, I think it was a girl, and she was making a clicking noise as he was making a croaking noise. There's the croaker. Just zoom in on him for you. Look at the size of that abdomen. These guys start singing at about 8 o'clock at night. And there's a girl nearby, and they don't have the large abdomen. I'll just see if I can locate her. She was over here flicking her wings and making this, just a little click. He would go brr, 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 and she would go click, brr, 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 click. So if I can locate the girl, she doesn't have the large abdomen for the singing. Where'd she go? She might have moved a bit closer. Just had a fly go up my nose. Oh, that was a shame that she's disappeared while I was trying to show you that. At any rate, let's get this big fella out. So they don't sing in the heat like other cicadas. And sorry about the stroboscopic effect that we're having here with the bloody LED light. Maybe if I dim it. Oh. Look at that. What kind of cicada is this? I can hear them all around the place at the moment. So initially I thought they were rare, but clearly they're not. Go back there and keep singing your song, mate. Do your thing. You got a girl to attract. Thanks for watching. Come on, get off.